This says it's MPPT, but watch this, something is off.
Real MPPT is not just a label, it is a behavior you can measure.
In the previous video, I compared PWM and MPPT using the same solar panel, the same 12-volt battery, and the same wiring. The real MPPT controller allowed the panel to operate close to its maximum power point. The PWM controller pulled the panel much closer to the battery voltage. Now I want to test this cheap controller, which is sold as MPPT. The idea is simple. In these conditions, this panel produces the most power at about 16.2 volts. So if this converter is real MPPT, I would expect it to let the panel operate somewhere near that point. If it behaves like PWM, the panel voltage will be pulled close to the battery charging voltage. For the test, I use the same panel, same battery, and the same wiring from the previous setup. Here I'm connecting the cheap controller. First, battery negative, then battery positive, then panel negative, and finally panel positive. The low terminal are not used in this test. The controller displays cycles through several values. First, it shows the battery voltage. Then it shows charging current, around 0.7 amps. And then it shows about 14.2 volts. But the measured maximum power point of this panel was around 16 volts. And 14.2 volts is basically the battery charging voltage.
That is the important part. The panel is not being held near its maximum power point. Instead, the voltage showed by the controller is very close to battery charging voltage. That is exactly what I would expect from PWM behavior.
This is not MPPT. This is just a PWM controller in disguise.
The label says MPPT, but the label looks like PWM.
This matters because the difference is not just theoretical.
In the previous test, the PWM controller produced about 53 watts. The real MPPT controller produced about 74 watts. Same panel, same sun, same battery.
So if a controller only behaves like PWM, it can leave useful power unused.
If you see MPPT written on the small lightweight controller like this, be skeptical. Real MPPTs are bigger, heavier and more expensive because they actually contain a DC-DC converter.
Size alone does not prove anything, but it is a warning sign.
The best way to test this more directly would be to measure the voltage at the PV input terminals with a multimeter while the controller is charging. In this recording, I only have the controller display, so this is not a perfect laboratory test. But the displayed voltage being close to battery voltage, combined with the tiny size and behavior of the controller, strongly points to PWM behavior.
So my conclusion is simple. This controller is sold as MPPT. But in this test, it behaved like PWM. Do not trust the label alone. Check what the controller actually does. Real MPPT is not a sticker. It is behavior you can measure. This is Emergency Power Lab. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.